The Silent Rebellion. The city of Icaris was a shining beacon of progress, a place where every citizen was monitored, every action controlled, and every deviation from the norm swiftly punished. The Watchers, a faceless government, ensured that no one stepped out of line. But beneath the surface, a silent rebellion brewed. Lena, a former journalist, had seen too much. She had witnessed the disappearances, the erasure of history, and the crushing of free thought. But she had remained quiet, knowing that even a whisper of dissent could mean death. That changed when her brother, Kai, was taken for questioning and never returned. Determined to find answers, Lena joined the underground rebellion. She risked everything, distributing forbidden pamphlets and hacking into the Watchers' communications. Her actions caught the attention of others, sparking a wave of quiet defiance across the city. The final confrontation came in the heart of Icaris, where Lena faced the Watchers head-on. Though she knew the rebellion would cost her life, she also knew that the spark she had ignited could not be extinguished. As Lena fell, the city rose. In the end, the silent rebellion became a roaring storm. Life lesson: even in the darkest times, one voice can spark a revolution. Change often starts with a single act of courage. English lesson: the word dystopia refers to a society where oppressive control is exercised, often under the guise of progress or utopia. It's commonly used in literature to depict a future where individual freedoms are lost.